Hello everyone, this is Anilraj. Welcome to Wits Connect. In the previous classes, we have seen T section and L section. In today's class, we are going to see the centroid of I section, and here he is given that it's an I section, it's a symmetrical I section. So 110, 110, and 110. This is your what we call a diagram which he gave. So generally, you have to find out these are all units are in mm, please. All the units are in mm. You have to find out a1, a2, a3, and you have to find out capital A. Then you have to find out x1, x2, x3, then y1, y2, y3. Then after you have to find out x bar and y bar. And basically before starting that, I'll tell that it's a symmetrical section. Symmetrical section in the sense in the both the axes. For example, if I cut the section in y-axis, it is equally divided into two parts. For example, if I cut this portion in this axis, in y-axis and x-axis, in the both the axis, it is symmetrical. So the simple concept is that in both the what we call in both the ways you will get the answer. For example, if I cut exactly in this direction, I'll get x bar as 50. If I cut like this, I'll get x bar as 70. So here I'm finding out a1. A1 is equal to area of the section. First of all, I am dividing the section 1, 2, 3. I have divided into 3 parts. What is A1 here? A1 is nothing but 100 into 10. So this is 1000 mm. Similarly, A2. A2 is also 100 into 10. So this is also 1000 mm. 100 into 10. So this is also 1000 mm. Similarly, A3. A3 also 100 into 10. So 100 into 10. So this is also 1000 mm. Now I have to calculate the total area of the I section, where the total area is given as capital A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, which is equal to 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. So this gives rise to 3000 mm square. And this unit is also, sorry, it's also mm square. 3000 mm square. So this is my total area of the figure. Now I have to calculate x bar and y bar. Before I am calculating x bar and y bar, let me find out x1. What is x1 here? X1 in the sense this diagram, in this half I have to take. So this is 100. So this is 100 by 2. Obviously that will be 50. So if I find x2, again my diagram will start in the yesterday's class. I have said you very clearly that the diagram will start from this axis. So from here you have to count the x. So then again obviously I'll get 100 by 2. So this is also again 50. So x3 also again I'll get 50. Similarly, you have to find out y1 and y2s. Let me find out y1 of this section. Y1 equal to, this is my depth of the first figure, this is 10. So 10 by 2. So this is equal to 5 mm. And y2 is equal to, this is 100 by 2. 100 by 2, that is 50 plus, so sorry, this is 10. 50 plus 10 means it is a 60. And y3 is equal to same, it is 10 by 2 plus 100 plus 10, 110. So this is y3 equal to 115 mm. So like this way you have to calculate y1, y2 and y3. After calculating y1, y2, y3, I need to calculate x bar. What is the formula of x bar? A1 y1 plus A2 y2 plus A3 y3 by capital A. So what is A1 here? A1 is nothing but 1000. So I'm writing out here 1000 into y1. Sorry, when it is y bar, it is a1 y1. This is y bar. I'm calculating y bar first. So y bar equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 by capital A. So a1 is 1000. What is y1? Y1 is 5 plus a2 is 1000 into A3, Y2 is 60 plus A3 is 1000 into Y3 is 115 divided by capital A, in the sense this is 3000 mm square, so you'll get as 3000 mm square. So after calculating this in your calc, this is total is 120, so this is you will get as 60 mm. Y bar will be 60 mm. As I said earlier also, this is total 120, no, 120 in the half, in the sense 60, so like that also you'll get the Y bar. So let us find out X bar also. In X bar cases, X bar equal to A1 X1 plus A2 X2 plus A3 X3 by capital A. So what is A1? So this is 1000 into X1. What is X1 here? 50 plus A2 is 1000 into 50 plus A4, A3 is 1000 into 50 divided by 3000. So how much value you will get of X bar of this is 50 mm. After calculating in your calculus, you will get the values will be as 50 mm. So this is my X bar and this is my Y bar. So the centroid of this will be 50. 50 in the sense it will act exactly at the center line. And what is Y bar? 60. 60 in the sense somewhere here. So here my CG is going to be act. Centroid of the figure is going to be act at the particular point. So like this you have to do, because this is a symmetrical section, so that the problems solve very what we call easily. And we'll see one more case how it will be, how we have to solve with the non-symmetrical sections, right?